In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view color oscilloscope in CapCut. If you've ever wondered how professionals keep their colors consistent and exposure under control, the color oscilloscope is the tool that makes it possible. It gives you a precise visual readout of your image, so you're not just trusting your eyes, you're verifying your choices with data. Start by opening CapCut and heading into the editor. You can open an existing project or start a new one. Either way is fine. Having a clip on your timeline helps, because the oscilloscope needs an image to analyze. If the timeline is empty, the display will either be blank or won't tell you much, so keep that in mind as you move through this setup. Next, look for the icon with 3 horizontal lines in the interface. This is the menu that reveals additional tools and options. Depending on your screen size and layout, you'll typically find it near the top or side of the editor area. If you don't spot it right away, try maximizing the window so the full toolbar is visible. Once you've found it, click it to open the panel of options. Inside that panel, locate Color Oscilloscope and choose Show. The moment you enable it, a scope panel will appear. From here on, every time you play your footage, scrub the timeline, or adjust color settings, the oscilloscope will update in real time to reflect what's on screen. That's the real power of this tool. You get immediate feedback as you make creative or technical adjustments. A quick note on what you're seeing. The oscilloscope visualizes aspects of your image like color balance and intensity. It's great for matching shots, avoiding oversaturation, and keeping highlights and shadows within acceptable ranges. If skin tones are important in your project, the oscilloscope helps you keep them natural and consistent across edits, even when your monitor or ambient light might mislead your eyes. If you don't see the color oscilloscope option, a few things can help. Make sure you're actually in the editor and not just the project dashboard. Ensure your app or browser editor is up to date, as newer features may require the latest version. Also, try enlarging the window or switching layouts so all tool sections are visible. And remember, without media on the timeline, the scope can appear inactive. That's all there is to it. Open CapCut, access the menu with the 3 horizontal lines, and show the color oscilloscope. With it enabled, you'll edit with confidence, knowing your color and exposure choices are grounded in accurate, real-time data.